Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Grafana 12.0 on Kali Linux 2025.2. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Kali Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Grafana official website, that is grafana.com. Then click on Docs, then click on Grafana, then click on Setup, then click on Install Grafana, then click on Debian or Ubuntu because we don't have the Kali Linux. Click on it. Now see here we have two methods: install from apt repository or by downloading this Debian package. So I'm going to download and install by using this apt repository method. And see here we have the versions: Grafana Enterprise, Grafana Enterprise Beta, Grafana OSS and Grafana OSS Beta. Okay, we are going to install Grafana Enterprise. Okay, so we have to run all these commands one by one. So copy this command, open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Control A. Now import the GPG. Copy this command, paste it, hit enter, run this command, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now see here we have the two options: stable release and beta release. Okay, if you want a stable release you have to run this one. If you want to install beta release you have to run this one. I strongly recommend to install stable release. So copy this command, just select entire text or just click on this copy button, then paste it, hit enter. It is done. Okay, now go to fifth step. We have to update the packages. So Control L, sudo apt get update, hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now install the Grafana. See here, if you want to install Grafana OSS we have to run this one. If you want to install Grafana Enterprise Edition we have to run this one. So I want to install Grafana Enterprise. So sudo apt get install Grafana -enterprise. Hit enter, type for confirmation. See, it is going to install these packages. Type and hit enter. See, this is the download size. Okay, 182 megabytes. See, it is installing Grafana 12.0.2. Okay, see, we have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the Grafana service. Sudo systemctl status Grafana-server. Hit enter. See, Grafana is installed but it is not started. So start it. Before starting we have to reload the daemon. So copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now start the Grafana server. Sudo systemctl start Grafana-server. See, it is started. Check the status. See, Grafana service is started. Also enable it. Sudo systemctl enable Grafana-server. Enter. It is done. Now sign into Grafana. So click on this sign into Grafana. See here, this is the URL. So give the localhost port number 3000 and default username and password is admin. Okay, not only localhost, you can give the host name of this one, host name, then give the port number 3000 or you can give the loopback IP. You will see all three options. New tab, localhost, port number 3000, hit enter. Localhost port number 3000, hit enter. Now we have to provide username. See, username is admin and password also same. So admin, provide the password, that is admin, hit enter. Not now, update your password. Also see here, continuing to use the default password exposes you to security risks. So set up new password for this admin account. Remember this one. Then click on submit. Not now, click on this one to verify the version. See here we have installed Grafana 12.0.2, and if you want to change the password, click on this username and click on change password, or go to administration, then click on users and access, then click on users, then click on this user edit button, then click on edit to change the password. Then you have to provide new password. Okay, so I don't want to change. Then go to users. If you want to create new user, click on new user, then provide all these details. Okay, this is the way. Now see here we have the option drill down. It is the new feature. See here in drill down we have metrics, logs, traces and profiles. Okay, and we have the bookmarks, start, dashboards, explore, alerting and connections. Click on connections. See, these are the list of the data sources available. In this video I am going to connect PostgreSQL and MySQL as the data sources. So search for the PostgreSQL, hit enter. See, PostgreSQL is installed, click on it, then click on add new data source. This is the name. Then come to connections. Here we have to provide the host URL. I have installed PostgreSQL on this one. Then default port is 5432 for the PostgreSQL server. I have the database bank, then user Postgres. If you have some other user and database, you can provide it. Then provide the password of this Postgres user. Then scroll down, come to the bottom and click on save and test. Not now. See, database connection is okay. We have successfully connected. Now again go to data sources. Again click on new data source. Then search for MySQL. Then click on MySQL. Then provide the connection name. I am giving MySQL Grafana -ds. ds means data source. Then come to here. MySQL is installed on this one. If you want to install MySQL on Kali Linux, then search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL. Localhost port number 3306 is the default one for the MySQL server. I have the database same bank. Username is root. Provide the password. Then come down, then click on save and test. See, database connection is okay. So we have successfully connected. Go to data sources. See here we have these data sources. Now we can click on this build a dashboard. Okay, then you have to follow. So go through the documentation and you can practice. As I told you, you can also connect by using hostname. Copy this one, copy it, go to new tab, paste it, port number 3000, hit enter. Now provide the username, provide the password that we have set for this user. Then click on login. This is the one way. See, we are able to connect. The otherwise, loopback IP 127.0.0.1, port number 3000, hit enter. See, we got the same login page. Okay. See, we have successfully logged in. Okay, the last option that I want to show you is sudo systemctl stop Grafana -server. It is stopped. Verify the status. See, Grafana service is inactive or dead. Now reload any one of these pages. See, unable to connect. To connect to Grafana, Grafana server must be up and running. So start it again. Qt control L, sudo systemctl start Grafana -server. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, Grafana service is started. Now reload this page. See, we have successfully connected. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Grafana server 12.0 on Kali Linux 2025.2. Okay, for more Grafana or Kali Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.